Psst.
Huh?
Yeah, hey, come on. Get inside, quick. The show just started.
Show? No. What does it cost?
Who cares? It'll make reality less painful.
Great balls of
Come
fire.
on, hurry up. Get in before it starts. Chair for Mr. Smith. Hey, boys, come over here, quick. Come on. Get inside. The show's about to start.
Oh,
no, we're broke.
Yeah, the inflation, you know. It's
How much does it cost?
Don't worry, boys. You paid for it already. Hurry up. Get inside.
okay.
2 more chairs for 2 more Smiths. This way for the recruiting show. Step up for the recruiting show. Starring the
On
Fighting
the
Clown.
center stage, Canteen is happy to present the Fighting Clown.
Bozos,
Beaners, sips,
Berserkers!
coupon clippers,
factory workers, old folks hiding
In the attics!
mothers, truckers, dope fanatics. They're here tonight. Everybody's here tonight.
patriotic,
Ruski,
Haters!
punk platoons,
of roller skaters, child molesters,
Nuke protesters!
all will go to war. Hey! Hey, 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 hey. Are you ready for it, huh? You ready to sacrifice everything for the cause? Because, Are you really? You're all smiling now, but will you be smiling, say, 6 months from now? Are you really ready to give up your gas and your precious pocket calculators? We'll see.
no more eating TV dinners,
No more being game show winners. No more playing craps and faro. No more driving your Camaro. Camaro, Camaro. There'll be no more Camaros. Land the Goshen.
bozos,
Beaners, sips,
berserkers,
aborted, pregnant, welfare shirkers. We're all bozos on this bus. This bus is off to war. Hey! Oh, yes, yes, yes. You're all cheering now, aren't you? But I wonder if that smile on your face isn't really a Cheshire smile, huh? Painted on! Yes, I can see your real faces. Yes, yes, I can see some people over there who look like live-in lover beaters. Yes, yes, and there's a whole section of lotus eaters, and in the middle there, a whole bunch of tax form cheaters, huh? But listen carefully to what we have to say.
I met
A funny bearded fellow
from the gulag,
archipelago. Oh, they let him go. До свидания, товарищ.
he said the Russian bear was mean.
Let's wipe them off our TV screen. Let's practice being Soviet shooters. On our family game computers. Ruski Pow! Ruski Pow! Yes, that's right. It's time again to play the wonderful game you can play at home on your own TV screen, Ruski Pow. Let's see what kind of sharpshooters we have out there today. You, young lady, how'd you like to try to stop that Soviet soldier before he stops you, eh? Just say Ruski Pow and let's see if you can get him.
Ruski Pow!
Uh-oh, he's still heading towards the club. Try again.
Ruski Pow!
Hey, we stopped him! You're only playing, folks.
Bozos,
Beaners, sips, berserkers, We're all bozos on this bus.
The president is driving us.
Not one of us will make a fuss.
This bus is off to